Ready to start the magic?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Oh yeah. So this is my buddy Justin, and we're gonna build some fire pits. Well, we're gonna build a fire pit for him, and it's gonna be a propane kind of lava rock looking thing. It's gonna be pretty sweet. We're gonna do probably in 2 parts because we're gonna be able to fabricate it today, and then we've got to get the propane, the gas fittings, and all that stuff, and then we'll assemble it once it's been painted back up at his place. So we won't do a whole lot of talking, but we'll explain when we can, when we need to, blah blah blah. All right, thanks. All right, so we got a pro tip. Sometimes you got to cut across the center of something and you have no way of really getting a clamp in there. And even then, you can buy the long-handled C-clamps, the vice grips. I don't like them. But I'll show you what you can do to help get a straight edge down somewhere to make these cuts without clamps. All right, so we got this double-ended magnet thing. It's branded Hobart. I got it at Cal Ranch, so I'm pretty sure you can find it at almost any hardware store in America. I got a nice piece of 3/16 flat strap, 3 inches wide. I don't know, you can't really tell because of the lighting, but my line's right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my grinder, and I'm gonna use that as my guide. And we're just gonna run right down that line, and it'll be perfect. Yeah. Alright, so Justin just asked me why I was cutting the slits the way I was. He's used to just kind of plunging and going. I feel like you get a lot of chatter in the blade and you wear it out a lot faster. And so what I do is I score a line and then I just kind of keep slowly putting pressure down and keep a groove going so that I have a straighter cut. If you don't have a straight edge, even if you do have a straight edge, it's a good method to do. So we're gonna just demonstrate that right now. Voila.
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 Ooh la la.
Oh yeah, you can tell there's little black It's working. All right, so we are done cutting and notching, and now we're gonna just show you where we're at. So we're gonna fold this. Each half is a side and an end, right? So that end is gonna get folded up. This side will be flat. We have put a little score line down each bend. That magnet is still over there. And so you can kind of see how it'll come together. Now, hopefully with the overall view, you'll see this come together. But we'll kind of just massage it into place. Get these bent up at a nice 90. We'll check for square. We already know that this plane right here did not bend to 90. It actually looks like it's over 90. So we're gonna probably have to stretch this back up a little bit somehow and massage it. Just make sure everything's nice and flush across the top as we do it. Yeah. All right, where you at?
We're at
71 3/4.
71 and 3/4. Did you know that's what it's supposed to be?
I'm just good.
Yeah, that's actually square.
I know.
Oh. How did you know?
What you doing, Justin?
Learning fractions.
All right, so update, because I think all the GoPros died, and so you guys haven't seen what's been going on, but we ground and welded and ground everything together, and so it's looking nice and pretty. We decided that we were gonna try and cut in a line on each 45 to try and make like a facet. And if you don't know what that is, it's not fascism. It's a side of a gem, okay? And right now we're gonna put in a little tab on each third mark. And that way when we make our lid, which will be in part 2, not now, we'll have the lid rest on these little spots, all right? And so that's what Justin was trying to do. He's trying to figure out what this span was in thirds. We figured out right here with some basic math on how big the lid needs to be and all that good stuff. So we're gonna let Justin keep working.
Who, me right now?
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna run this over to powder coat right now. And we put these little tabs in. Little tabs are gonna be used to hold up the lid once we get the lid done. But yeah, everything inside here, we didn't grind down all the welds because of the sand and the rock that's gonna come up to about right here. And then you're gonna have your burners in there. So this one is all buttoned up. I think we're done.